Guyana is located in the extreme north of South America and shares land borders with Brazil, Venezuela, and Suriname. Guyana is covered by forests and privileged in water resources, and it's blessed with suitable soil. The tropical climate with plenty of rainfall makes it an excellent place to become the next agricultural hub. During many years, people have envisioned growing corn, soybean, and cotton in Guyana. These previous projects have laid the foundations for what we are accomplishing today. A group composed by NF Agricultural Inc., investors of Lucas do Rio Verde and Curitiba, are now carrying out a new project which aims to make Guyana the food basket of the Caribbean. Our macro project proposal is to assist the government of Guyana in the development of an area of 500,000 hectares, where the first phase consists of a 100,000 hectares integrated area, a magnificent farming project which will produce vertically and with sustainable responsibility. This means that achieving vertical integration is controlling our own elements within a value chain beyond the central component, agriculture. This landmark agribusiness attempt has the purpose of growing corn, soybean, cotton, and livestock, setting a shift from vegetal protein to animal protein through advanced technology. The idea is to work the present path with responsible and sustainable proposals. The topic of future is brought to scene as the entrepreneurs plan an innovative business plan, which integrates grain farming and the transformation of vegetable protein into animal protein, where the final product is processed swine, beef, and chicken meat for the Caribbean. While production goes beyond consumption, a third phase is implemented, which is the transformation of corn production into energy through the work of bioethanol plants. And this is where we find sustainability. Another interesting and outstanding byproduct are the dried distiller grains with solubles, or better yet, the DDGS. The DDGS are made with the remains of corn production and are destined to feed livestock. Its composition guarantees a highly nutritious diet for the animals. This is what we call integrated sustainable development, where one phase feeds the other. With the experience of the partners, the project will follow good agricultural practices, covering food safety and traceability, biodiversity protection, workers' health, safety and welfare, animal well-being, crop management, pest control, quality management, and hazard analysis. With hard work and with the help of the Ministry of Agriculture, the National Agricultural Research and Extension Institute, the Guyana Livestock Development Authority, and those that live at Ebini, the dream of a self-sufficient food production envisioned years ago is now becoming a reality. During the past 2 years in our farm at Ebini, we have developed the beginning of this transformational project that will bring food, security, jobs, and knowledge while generating wealth and diversifying the economy for the next 100 years. We have successfully planted soybean and corn. We have proved that what was imagined as impossible is possible. This only happened with the help of those responsible for the agriculture sector in the country. This innovative and sustainable business model can be replicated and will grow at the pace and speed we decide today. The equation is rather simple. There is water, land, sun, rain, great seeds, and, believe it or not, suitable water transportation logistics. After the local market is served, our aim is to export to the Caribbean. For the old challenge of transportation, a solution has just been found. With the logistics experience of the partners in the project, we would propose the construction of a grain terminal in the mouth of the Berbice River, which could be expanded to a multimodal port for liquids such as ethanol, for containers, and even for bulk ore as seen in Brazil, and would serve as a logistics hub for northern Brazil. We have to mention this project's sister development in Brazil, in the state of Roraima, where currently 50,000 hectares of soybean and corn are being cultivated, with a future expansion to 200,000 hectares. The two projects complement each other and can take advantage of a unified industrial zone and logistics facilities. This region in Guyana will become the natural hub for food production and transformation. In order to maximize efficiency, we propose to combine all the farmers' infrastructure in an agro-villa. To guarantee ease of access, we propose that the macro project's roads converge to the agro-villa. The agro-village model is a way to centralize the agro-industrial transformation. All the production would go to one central location to be processed, while bringing economic benefit to Guyana's interior. Although it's headed by us, this project is for everyone, whether Brazilian or Guyanese. We propose to section the areas in small, medium, and large-scale farms, so that everyone can contribute to this development. As we implement this here, the influx of farmers and locals joining this vision will be exponential, and in a matter of 10 years, Guyana could be a major agro-industrial country as other large farming groups come to Guyana and major areas are farmed. In 20 years, we should have a village with thousands of people, with a GDP of over $1 billion, where jobs would not be a problem, with a very high standard of education and living. What is being proposed here was already performed by the Franz family in Lucas do Rio Verde in Brazil. Together, we have the tools to transform what will happen in the next 100 years.